Hello to you, and you. Welcome to What is a Budget? I'm your budget boss, and today we are going to break it down. What is a budget anyway? So a budget is not just numbers, it is actually a plan. So a budget takes into account some very intricate details of your entire financial world. We're going to take it nice and slow because I know that sometimes budgets can bring anxiety and fear and all of these feelings and emotions because of the unknown. But once we take the time to master our budget, we can move in confidence in our finances. What is a budget? A budget is everything about your finances. First, to create a budget, you will have to take your income, all the income streams, side hustles, main hustles, businesses, anything and everything. We will list out all those expenses, everything that's going out the door. We will list out all our expenses, and then we will also take into account anything we're saving, investing, insurance, and be put into our budget. This is your financial machine. This is where everything goes so that you can account for everything, account for all the funds that's coming in, all the funds that's going out, and anything you putting into the little pot here or there. So that is a budget. Expenses, income, and everything in between. And before you go, make sure you like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.